Sports venues are the special places where games and competitions happen. Stadium is a large outdoor arena. Court is an indoor playing surface. Field is a grass or turf area. Each venue has different sports and features. Learning these words helps you talk about sports locations in English. Stadium is a large outdoor arena for major sports events. It holds 20,000 or more spectators with tiered seating. You see football matches, American football games, and track and field competitions in stadiums. The open air and big crowds make stadiums exciting places. Court is an indoor playing surface for racket and ball sports. Basketball, tennis, volleyball, badminton, and squash all use courts. The surface is hardwood or synthetic flooring. A basketball court measures 94 by 50 feet. Courts are inside buildings with controlled temperature. Field is a grass or turf area for team sports. Soccer, rugby, American football, lacrosse, and field hockey use fields. Natural grass or artificial turf covers the surface. White lines mark the playing boundaries. Fields are open spaces designed for running and kicking. Gym is an indoor facility for strength and fitness training. Weightlifting, bodybuilding, CrossFit, cardio machines, and group classes happen in gyms. You find dumbbells, barbells, and exercise machines. Rubber flooring protects equipment and floors. Gyms help build muscles and endurance. Pool is a water-filled basin for swimming and water sports. Swimming, water polo, diving, synchronized swimming, and aquatics use pools. Olympic-size pools measure 50 meters long. Lane markers divide the water. Starting blocks help swimmers begin races. Rink is an ice or roller surface for skating sports. Ice hockey, figure skating, speed skating, and roller derby use rinks. Ice rinks measure 200 by 85 feet. Boards surround the playing area. Rinks need special maintenance to keep surfaces smooth. Here are the 6 main sports venues: stadium for large events, court for indoor ball games, field for grass team sports, gym for strength training, pool for water sports, rink for skating. Use these words to describe exactly where different sports happen.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.